Preventing the flames: how we can tackle the growing wildfire threat. Each year, California faces a danger fiercer than ever before: wildfires. Fueled by dry landscapes and shifting climates, these infernos destroy homes, disrupt lives, and leave devastation in their wake. The question is, how do we fight back? Wildfires aren't just natural disasters, they're increasingly human-made problems. From climate change to unchecked vegetation growth, multiple factors create perfect conditions for destruction. But there's hope. We can take action now to reduce this threat and safeguard our future. California's changing weather patterns, driven by global warming, have increased the intensity and duration of fire seasons. With each passing year, the state experiences longer periods of hot, dry weather, turning forests into tinderboxes waiting to ignite. Record-breaking heatwaves, low humidity, and poor rainfall create the ideal environment for flames to flourish. Combined with urbanization encroaching on natural areas, the risks have escalated. It's no longer a question of if fires will occur, but when. Proper forest management is one of our strongest defenses. Our ecosystems are overloaded with dry brush, fallen trees, and dense vegetation, all serving as dangerous fuel. By removing excess debris, thinning forests, and conducting prescribed burns, we can lessen the potential for uncontrollable fires. Prescribed burns, where small, controlled fires clear out overgrowth, mimic natural processes that maintain forest health. These methods don't just reduce fire risks, they also restore balance to ecosystems, allowing forests to thrive without the shadow of destructiveness looming overhead. Homes and businesses aren't helpless against wildfires. Creating defensible spaces, areas around buildings that lack flammable vegetation, can significantly slow fire spread. For homeowners, this means clearing dead plants, keeping trees trimmed, and using fire-resistant landscaping near structures. Beyond defensible spaces, fireproofing construction materials can add an extra layer of security. Imagine neighborhoods filled with fire-resistant roofs, tempered glass windows, and well-sealed exteriors that deflect, rather than absorb, nature's fiery wrath. Constructing fire breaks, gaps in vegetation designed to stop or slow advancing flames, is another key preventative strategy. These barriers are strategically built to neutralize fires before they reach critical areas. Combined with early interventions, they can save homes, lives, and vast tracts of natural land. In areas with large urban-rural interfaces, well-placed fire breaks create crucial defenses. Their effectiveness increases exponentially when paired with continuous maintenance and weather monitoring systems designed to predict fire risks. Cutting-edge technology is changing how we predict and combat wildfires. Today, we use satellites to identify high-risk zones, drones to survey difficult terrain, and sensors to monitor fire-prone regions in real time. These tools allow quicker, more accurate responses when seconds count. AI-driven predictive models are also revolutionizing the fight against wildfires. By analyzing climate data and fire behavior, these systems help pinpoint areas where prevention efforts are most urgently needed, maximizing their impact and cost-effectiveness. Communities must be educated about fire prevention and response. Simple steps like creating household evacuation plans, keeping emergency kits ready, and understanding fire hazards can make a massive difference. Prepared residents mean fewer tragedies and faster recovery. Public awareness campaigns are powerful tools. Teaching people how to reduce fire risks on their property, recognize early warning signs, and collaborate in community prevention efforts can move the needle significantly when it comes to safety. True wildfire prevention requires bold policy changes. California lawmakers must prioritize sustainable urban planning, stricter building codes, and funding for fire preparation programs. These systemic changes are investments in the state's safety and resilience. What's more, confronting climate change head-on is non-negotiable. Policies targeting carbon emissions, renewable energy adoption, and environmental conservation will not just reduce wildfire risks, but create a healthier planet for future generations. California is at a crossroads. By embracing proactive wildfire prevention strategies, adopting fire-resilient lifestyles, and pushing for impactful climate policies, we can reclaim control over our landscapes. No one can fight this battle alone. It's a collective effort. Take steps today. Join local initiatives, educate yourself, and advocate for policy changes. Together, we can not only prevent wildfire devastation, but build a legacy of resilience, hope, and sustainability for tomorrow. Let's safeguard California before the flames take hold again.